You guys ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Hey, welcome to the Showstopper Shows. I'm the Showstopper, and yes, you saw the title. These are SubSafes. These are meant to keep your sandwich or your valuables dry while you're out on the beach, while you're at the lake, or actually keep them protected because they are waterproof, they are crush-proof, and they float. Now, I reached out to the company who was featured on Shark Tank. Good old Charles Barkley and Mark Cuban decided to sponsor them.
Mark and I have an offer for you. We will give you $100,000.
There you go. But
50-50 each.
we want 25% of the company.
And so now you can find these at your local Publix. They're great for the boat, beach, tailgating, camping, golfing, hunting, theme parks, outdoor events, and even your break room. The SubSafe can be used as a 6-inch or a 12-inch sub, and it's also BPA free and dishwasher safe. That's the best part, right? The thing is, the guy was like, man, every time I go to the beach, I'm trying to keep my sandwich dry and it's always getting soggy. And there's nothing made for subs, so he made these. But you can also dump your phone in them, you can put your keys in them, you can put your valuables in here as well. And it comes with this container here, and you can put drinks in here as well, and then it screws right on. And once it screws, it's dry and it's safe, and nothing can break this. Nothing. I mean, these are sturdy, guys. So why don't we take this to the pool? I'm gonna put my iPhone XS Max, it's the 256 gig version. I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna throw it into the pool. Then I'm gonna go swim out and get it. And if it's still dry, you guys have to buy. So if you wanna get one of these for yourself, I'm gonna have a link in the description below. Plus you're gonna see it pop up on your screen. Go to subsafe.com, use the promo code Showstopper15, get yourself 15% off of one of these. They come in the 3 colors. Let's go to the pool right now.
So, here I am, guys, right here on the edge of the pool. And I'm gonna throw my phone in here. I'm gonna hit record on it too. See, there's the showboy recording me. We're gonna drop it right in here. And let's seal it. And there it is. $1,250 iPhone XS Max right in here.
Yep, that's crazy.
You guys ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1. Oh! Leave it there, Finn. Woo! Leave it there, see? Now, is this thing wet? He really dropped it. That's the thing.
Yep. All right. Okay. And there we go. Dry. Works just fine. And there's no water inside of here at all. Thank you, SubSafe.
All right, so as you saw, my phone was fine. It protected this. I wanted to leave it in there a little longer. All the show kids got excited, wanting to go grab it. But as you can see, it's perfectly protected in here. Now, the SubSafe is not sold for throwing your phone into the pool, but I had to try it. You gotta go extreme, and throwing my very expensive device into the pool was my way of going extreme. So like I said at the beginning, use the code Showstopper15. There's a link in the description if you don't wanna go find the website, and you click on that, go to that, use the code, buy one. Guys, these would be great gifts for you. That fisherman in your family, or that woman who wants to protect all of her valuables. You could put your wallet in here, you could put your keys, you could put your phone, put them all together, and then you get on your boat. If you're going down the kayak, down the river, you have something protected. If it falls into the water, it will float. It's everything you need, and it covers that. Plus, of course, for your sandwiches, guys, your subs, you can do the foot long, and then it screws in this way as well, so you get it the long way too. So there you go, looks like a big pill. You can put anything you want right in here that fits. It will float, keeps everything buoyant and protected. I thought about driving over this with my car, maybe for another video. But there you go, guys. So thank you to SubSafe. They sent me 2 of these. That is my take on this. And I'm excited for you guys to try it. If you get one of these, if you've tried one of these, let me know in the comments below. Shoot me a message and say, hey, I tried this, I bought this. Thank you for letting me know about it. And guess what? It works. Hey, thanks for watching. May the forks be with you. May God's presence be with you. Always put a bow on the show because that is a wrap. Show stops here. Never quit, y'all.